So I'm here with Paul from Black and White Bikes, and today he's been showing us the correct way to change and check chain and sprockets on this R1 behind us. But while I've got you here, Paul, when you do fit a new chain, just a quick question, how soon should you be looking to adjust it after you started using that chain?
Okay, well, you should be looking every sort of few hundred miles. Initially, probably 100 miles, just to check the initial installation is still okay, that nothing's moved, nothing's gone wrong. Then we look at chain maintenance every 400 or 500 miles, and in that inspection, we then do that as a lubrication, clean the lubrication of the chain and check the adjustment. So that's the way I would carry on looking at a chain throughout its life.
And what about lubricating it? How soon are you starting to lube it, and what kind of lubricants would you recommend on this?
So with a chain, any O-ring, X-ring chain, if you're a rider that rides throughout the winter, in wet weather a lot and all weathers, then you'll need a wax type of chain lubricant. If you're a summertime rider like me, don't go out in anything other than blazing heat, then you can get away with a more lighter, dry lubricant. Now, the beauty of the dry lubricant is that it is drier and therefore doesn't retain muck. So with a wax type, you could have a grit in there that gets sucked into the wax. So you've got to clean that off. So any kind of chain maintenance includes cleaning the chain off, including the dry lubes as well. Clean it and then reapply your lubricant after that. And then check your adjustment. So
I guess one last question, do wheelies ruin chains?
Yeah, don't do wheelies, they're really bad for you. No, it's any type of aggressive riding is going to put lots of force and stresses through the chain. So yeah, if you want your chain to last an awful long time, then ride as carefully as you possibly can. But where's the fun in that? So yeah, the last thing if you're inclined to do lots of wheelies, the last thing your chain will probably do is one last wheelie, but you'll not know a lot about it. We don't like chain snapping, so preventative maintenance, change it before, but if you are an aggressive rider, check it more frequently, that's all.
Good stuff. Okay, thanks for all that advice, and as I said, check out the magazine and you can see how Paul would recommend you change your chain of sprockets. It's really good reading, check it out.